I'm Sophia. If you love the thrill as much as I do, you're in the right place. From adrenaline-fueled rides to uncovering the world's most iconic machines, gear up and subscribe to Sophia on Wheels for non-stop automotive adventure. This $89 device just saved a rider's life in California. This one makes you 400% louder than your factory horn. And this piece of tech, it will make you feel like Iron Man on two wheels. Today, we are counting down 12 motorcycle gadgets on Amazon that are so advanced, most riders have absolutely no idea they exist. And number one is pure science fiction. Let's ride. Gadget number 12, Denali SoundBomb split air horn. Starting at number 12, and trust me, this countdown only gets crazier from here. The Denali SoundBomb air horn. Here is a terrifying statistic. Over 40% of motorcycle accidents happen because drivers simply do not see riders. Your stock horn? A pathetic 80 decibels. A car horn? Maybe 105. This beast delivers a skull-rattling 120 decibels. That is 4 times the acoustic power of your factory horn, loud enough to make cars 2 blocks away turn their heads. Thousands of rider testimonials credit this horn with dodging disasters. One rider said a taxi driver spilled his coffee when he tried to merge into him. Worth every penny. Another said it saved him from a left-turn collision. The driver heard him before he even saw him. Installation takes 30 minutes. Your life costs considerably more. Around $90 on Amazon. And before you say that is expensive, wait until you see what is coming. Gadget number 11, brake-free smart brake light. Number 11 is something that should honestly be mandatory equipment. The brake-free smart brake light. Here is the problem. Your motorcycle brake light only activates when you physically squeeze the lever. But when you downshift to slow down or engine brake on a long descent, cars behind you have zero warning you are decelerating. Zero. This wireless LED unit mounts to any helmet in seconds. No wiring, no app setup required. The genius is in what sits inside it, a built-in accelerometer that detects deceleration from braking, downshifting, or engine braking and automatically flashes red. Riders who have logged over 40,000 miles with this unit report getting tailgated significantly less. One review gave chills. A driver approached at a gas station and said he could see the rider from 10 car lengths back. That probably saved a life. 4.9 stars. Over 1,400 reviews. Waterproof, USB-C fast charging, up to 14 hours in stealth mode, $140. Studies show that extra warning time reduces rear-end collisions by up to 90%. This thing pays for itself the first time someone does not hit you from behind. Gadget number 10, quad lock phone mount system. Number 10. Every rider who has destroyed an iPhone camera from handlebar vibration just felt this one personally. The quad lock motorcycle mount system. You might think it is just a phone mount. Here's why that thinking is wrong. Motorcycle vibrations operate at frequencies that destroy your phone's optical image stabilization. Apple literally warns about this in their documentation. A $1,200 phone camera destroyed in 500 miles. Quadlock solved it with their anti-vibration dampener dual-stage vibration isolation that reduces harmful frequencies by up to 90%. Aircraft-grade aluminum construction. One-handed 90-degree twist lock that works with frozen fingers or thick winter gloves. Riders have done full track days at 150 plus miles per hour with their phones absolutely rock solid. The system is also modular. The same case works on your bike, your car, your bicycle, everywhere. $50 for the basic setup, $100 with the vibration dampener, which you need. Compare that to replacing an iPhone camera module for $300. The math checks out clearly. Gadget number 9, Cardo Spirit HD Bluetooth headset. At number 9, the Cardo Spirit HD. If you have never ridden with Bluetooth in your helmet, you are riding in a different era entirely. Picture a 6-hour mountain ride with turn-by-turn GPS directions without ever looking down. Your playlist streaming clearly. Your riding buddy 3 bikes ahead warning you about a speed trap. Your phone ringing and you answering it without your hands ever leaving the bars. All of it crystal clear at 80 miles per hour. The Spirit HD is the entry-level model from the brand that completely dominates the intercom market. You get 40mm HD speakers with sound quality that will make you deliberately take the long way home just to finish an album. Compare that to $60 knockoffs that sound like AM radio underwater. There is no comparison. 13-hour battery. Connects 2 devices simultaneously. Here is the feature that most people overlook: automatic audio profiles. Music playing, GPS fires a direction, the music ducks down, the instruction comes through clean, music returns seamless. Intercom range reaches half a mile to another Cardo unit. 4-way conference between riders, around $120. Pro tip: buy the duo pack with a riding buddy, split the cost, and you both have someone worth talking to. Quick question for the comments: would you rather have Bluetooth audio or heated grips? Genuinely curious what riders are prioritizing right now. Gadget number 8, Oxford Heaterz Premium Heated Grips. Number 8 is for every rider who has ever cut a ride short because their hands stopped working. Oxford Heaterz Premium Heated Grips. Heated grips are not new, but the engineering inside these is genuinely impressive. They draw 3.66 amps average, essentially nothing from your alternator. Run them alongside all your other accessories without any concern. Direct wire to battery with an SAE connector, the same setup as a battery tender, which means if you already have that in place, this is plug and play. 5 heat settings, ranging from gentle warmth through to riding in a blizzard with what feels like fireplace hands. In standby mode, the draw is 0.071 milliamps, so low you could theoretically leave them on for months without draining your battery. What riders consistently say is that these extend the riding season by months. Snow on the ground, 20-degree morning commute, does not matter. Warm hands, precise throttle control. $100 to $130 depending on your bike. Installation takes under an hour. One review put it simply: rode in 5-degree weather, hands were completely warm the entire time. Gadget number 7, GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. At number 7, the tool that has turned thousands of riders into content creators and legal witnesses at the same time. The GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. 3K video, 27 megapixel photos, high dynamic range for when you ride from bright sunlight into a tunnel and everything else turns to garbage on camera. This one does not. Here is what separates the Mini specifically. It is absurdly small. Mount it to your helmet and genuinely forget it exists. Full-size action cameras look like a brick on your head by comparison. Hyper Smooth 5 stabilization means you can ride the worst road in the country looking at you. Michigan, and the footage comes out looking like it was shot on a Hollywood gimbal. Waterproof to 33 feet without any case. Voice control lets you start recording without touching anything. And here's the part that goes beyond content creation: this footage has been used as evidence in court. One rider's GoPro footage secured a complete insurance payout after a car pulled out in front of him. Camera paid for itself 30 times over in that single moment. Around $300. If you ride seriously, this is not optional. And wait until you see the top 5. Number 1 especially is straight out of the future. Gadget number 6, Monimoto 9 GPS tracker. Number 6 is insurance against every rider's worst nightmare: the Monimoto 9 GPS tracker. A fact that will sit with you. A motorcycle is stolen in the United States every 2 minutes. Every 2 minutes. And only 42% are ever recovered. Your $15,000 bike gone permanently, unless you have this hidden somewhere on it. The Monimoto 9 is a compact GPS tracker that fits practically anywhere on the bike. Battery lasts 2 years. No wiring required. Just hide it. If someone moves your bike 30 feet, your phone screams an alert. Real-time GPS shows exactly where it is, moving or stopped. Police love working with this data. Riders report recovering bikes in hours because they handed officers live location updates in real time. Multiple documented cases of bikes recovered before thieves even cleared the neighborhood. One reviewer put it plainly: got the alert before the thief reached the corner, called the police, gave live updates, bike recovered, thief arrested. A $100 tracker saved a $12,000 motorcycle. 24/7 monitoring, motion alerts, geofence zones. Around $100 plus $5 monthly for cellular service. Cheaper than a single insurance payment. And if your bike disappears without one, you will think about this moment. Gadget number 5, Klim AI Airbag Vest. Top 5. Number 5 is the most expensive item on this list, and also probably the most important one: the Klim Airbag Vest. This is the motorcycle industry's first fully untethered airbag system. Older vests required a tether connected to your bike, you come off, tether pulls, bag deploys. The problem? If you do not fully separate from the bike, it does not deploy. Klim uses in and motion sensor technology. 6 sensors running 1,000 measurements per second. AI analyzing your motion in real time, knowing the difference between aggressive cornering and the moment you are about to hit the ground. Crash detected. Deploys in 60 milliseconds, faster than a blink, protecting chest, back, shoulders, and neck simultaneously. Airbag vests can reduce impact forces by up to 90%. That is the difference between cracked ribs and a punctured lung. The difference between walking away and not walking again. Fits under most riding jackets and adventure gear, works in all weather. The vest runs $400 plus, with an in-motion subscription at $12 monthly or $120 yearly. Expensive? Yes. Cheaper than the medical bills from a serious crash? Not even close. Multiple riders have written that this vest saved their life. Not probably saved, not might have saved. Period. Gadgets 4, 3, and 2 rapid fire. Number 4, Dynaplug Tire Repair Kit. $25. Fits in a jacket pocket. Saves you from being completely stranded 60 miles from anywhere after picking up a nail. Contains everything needed to plug a tire on the side of the road. One rider has used it 4 times in 2 years. It paid for itself the very first time. Number 3, Xiaomi Portable Air Compressor. Compact and rechargeable. Inflates to 150 pounds per square inches. Check tire pressure before every ride the way you are supposed to. This makes it actually convenient to do so. $40. LCD display shows exact pressure readings. Works on car tires, motorcycle tires, sports equipment, pays for itself in avoided gas station frustration alone. Number 2, Signal Dynamics Back Off XP Brake Light Modulator. Turns your existing brake light into an attention-grabbing strobe pattern. 2 flash modes, plug-and-play installation. DOT studies show up to 90% fewer rear-end incidents with that additional warning second. Around $40. If you ride in any kind of traffic, this requires no debate. Gadget number 1, Smart HUD and Augmented Reality Integration Systems. The gadget that makes you feel like you are living in 2035. Smart HUD and Augmented Reality Integration Systems. Picture this. You are riding. Your speed floats in your peripheral vision. GPS turn arrows appear directly on the road where you need to turn, not on a screen you glance away to check, but AR overlaid directly onto your actual view. Incoming call appears in your line of sight. Accept or decline with a head gesture. Hands never leave the bars. Companies like BMW with their Connected Ride smart glasses are pioneering exactly this. The systems project transparent displays directly in your field of vision, turn-by-turn navigation, speed, gear indicator, incoming calls, camera controls. All without your eyes leaving the road. Here's the part that crosses into something else entirely. Some systems now include collision detection. Sensors identify vehicles in your blind spots and display warnings directly in your sightline. Car approaching from behind, too fast warning. Pedestrian stepping into a crosswalk warning. This is early stage technology, not flawless yet, but it is evolving faster than most people realize. Entry systems start around $400. Premium BMW setups run $800 and above. Not affordable for everyone right now. Neither were GPS systems 15 years ago. Neither were Bluetooth headsets 10 years ago. Early adopters are already describing it as feeling like Iron Man on 2 wheels. Honestly, they are not wrong. This is where motorcycling is heading. You are either watching it happen or riding ahead of it. There you have it! 12 motorcycle gadgets ranging from life-saving to life-changing. From a $25 tire repair kit to an $800 augmented reality system, there's something here for every rider and every kind of ride. Now, the real question, which one are you buying first? Drop it in the comments. And if you've used any of these, share your experience. Riders helping riders, that's how everyone gets better out there. If this opened your eyes to something worth knowing, hit like so more riders can see it. And subscribe to follow along with me as I break down the gear and tech that actually matter on the road. And if you're here for the ride itself, tap the video popping up on your screen right now. I tested the top 18 best naked motorcycles of 2026, and some of these might seriously surprise you. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Ride smart out there.